In this video, I'm going to show you how to hide an element on specific screen sizes in Elementor. When designing your page in Elementor, some elements may not look as good on certain devices. Thankfully, there's an easy way to decide which screen sizes those elements will be seen on. With Elementor, you can easily hide or show any element on either desktop, tablet, or mobile. In this example, I would like to hide this testimonial section on both mobile and tablet. So to do that, you need to activate that section, so you can either select it here in the navigator or click this middle button, Edit Selection, that appears on this blue grid inside the active section. Then navigate to the Edit Section window, which appears here on the left side of the screen, and go to the Advanced tab. From the Advanced tab, open the Responsive menu. In the Visibility section, enable the Hide on Tablet and Hide on Mobile options, leaving desktop to show. By doing that, this top section will only appear on desktop screen sizes. However, you won't actually see those changes while editing in Elementor. But if you travel over to a live page and look at it here on desktop view, you can see it here between blog and shop. Then going over to tablet view, you see the space where it was. And on mobile view, it is also being hidden. I would recommend that you adjust the spacing of the remaining sections to compensate for the sections you remove. If the gap is too large, it may not look right. Thanks for watching. Cheers.